Okay, name some famous expressways of Uttar Pradesh.
And there is this Bundelkhand Expressway, which is being recently inaugurated. And apart from that, there is Purvanchal Expressway also. And Yamuna Expressway connects Uttar Pradesh to Barabanki to states like Agra, regions like Agra. And lastly, there is this Ganga Expressway, for which the expression of interest has been solved by the government.
How do you think these expressways have changed or contributed to economy of Uttar Pradesh?
Ma'am, first of all, if you see the example of Purvanchal Expressway, areas like Balia and Deoria, they were having some development deficit because industries were not ready to come up these areas. But now with the infrastructure in place, there have been increasing demand of land acquisition in these areas. And adding it to the eastern and western freight corridors, it has leveraged the economy of Uttar Pradesh to maintain the interest of various public-private partnerships in these areas. Lastly, Bundelkhand Expressway has been quite instrumental in the recent defense corridor project in Uttar Pradesh, where Chitrakoot and Jhansi, these regions have leveraged this expressway to invite companies and attract them.
Since you know we are in middle of the pandemic and inflation is very high, do you know the inflation rate, current inflation rate?
And recently I saw a report where it said that it is the second time when the inflation rate crossed 6%.
Okay. Do you know about Monetary Policy Committee?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the objective of Monetary Policy Committee?
And its objective is to ensure that the inflation remains between the rate of 2 to 6%.
So do you think Monetary Policy Committee has failed in achieving its objective?
Ma'am, I would not say that it has failed in its objective because monetary policy can only control the demand side factor. There are certain supply side factors which are not in its control. For example, be it monsoon supply or international crude oil prices. These do not come under the ambit of monetary supply. And in the middle of coronavirus pandemic, the growth prospect also have to be given some consideration. That is why our monetary policy has been easing in its stance.
Thank you, Adarsh. It was nice talking to you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Adarsh.
Yes, sir.
Adarsh,